Instagram now lets you add individual captions to each slide in a carousel. Instead of one long caption doing all the work, every slide can now carry its own story. I'm Janet. I make videos about digital growth and ways you can monetize your content. Let's dive in. Open your Instagram app. Tap on your profile image at the bottom right corner. Click the plus icon at the top left corner. Tap Post. Select the photos you want to post. Click the arrow to go to the next page. You can decide to add music to your post. Click Next. You will get a pop-up. Just click OK. Click this arrow and select multiple caption instead of single caption. This allows you to add different captions for each slide. Go ahead and add your caption for each slide. Click Done. After that, click Share. Once it's live, this is what your audience will see. And that's all you need to know about this feature. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on all post notifications so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. Bye for now.